Good morning this Monday, the 6th of May. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed higher on Friday, bolstered by a softer than expected jobs report, which boosted investor sentiment and hopes of rate cuts in the near future. The Dow Jones rose 1.18% on Friday, the S&P 500 added 1.26%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq climbed 1.99% on the rate cut optimism. Non-farm payrolls indicated 175,000 jobs were added to the US economy in April, which was well below the 240,000 economists were expecting, and the US unemployment rate rose to 3.9% from 3.8% for the month. Wages data also came in below expectations, which is a strong sign of inflation is becoming less sticky, as wages inflation has been a key point of stubborn inflation over the last year at home and overseas. Apple shares rose almost 6% on Friday after the tech giant announced a near $110 billion share repurchase and beat analyst expectations for first quarter results. Over in Europe on Friday, markets closed higher to round out a negative week as investors responded to corporate earnings results. The Stock 600 ended the day up 0.44%, Germany's DAX added 0.6%, the French CAC rose 0.54%, and in the UK the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.51%. In Asia on Friday, markets ended the week in positive territory, led by Hong Kong's Hang Seng rising 1.48%. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 rose 0.55% as every sector ended the day in positive territory, led by consumer discretionary stocks rising just shy of 2%, while REIT stocks added 1.55%. Block was the best performing stock locally on Friday, rising 9.83% after the payment platform posted impressive quarterly results that exceeded analysts' expectations, including gross profit rising 22% year on year to $2.09 billion. Gold miners came under pressure locally on Friday amid the sliding price of the precious commodity, with Evolution Mining falling 5.57%, while Ramelius Resources fell 2.04% and Regis Resources declined 1.91%. Diversified financial house Macquarie fell on Friday after the company released full-year results, including net profit falling 32%, while net operating income declined 12% over the year. Macquarie attributed the fall in its results to a sharp decline in the commodities and global markets business and a fall in the Macquarie Asset Management division. Ahead of the first trading session of the new trading week, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX to open the day up 0.3% on the back of Wall Street's jobs-driven rally on Friday. Looking at the commodities this morning, oil is trading 1.22% lower at $77.99 a barrel. Gold is down 0.13% at $2,301 an ounce, and iron ore is down 0.04% at $118.03 a tonne. One Aussie dollar is buying 66 US cents, 101.08 Japanese yen, 52.68 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Nickel Industries from $1.50 to $1.54 and maintained a buy rating on the nickel producer following the company's release of its March quarter production from its rotary kiln electric furnace operations, including production of 31,840 tonnes of contained nickel and cash costs below Bell Potter's forecast. The company faced impacted mining production from its Hengjaya mine. However, mixed hydroxide precipitate production increased 16%, which ramped up towards nameplate capacity. Bell Potter's analyst sees that tailwinds are increasing in CY24 once mining permit delays are overcome. And that's all for this morning. Have a wonderful Monday, and as always, happy investing.